Welcome to our Eco Channel, where we explore the wonders of our planet and the vital connections that sustain all life. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the mountains, we delve into the beauty and complexity of Earth's ecosystems. Let's journey together towards a greener future. In this video, we talk about marine ecosystems and the threats they face. Introduction to marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems encompass a wide range of environments including oceans, coral reefs, mangroves, and estuaries. These ecosystems are crucial for maintaining the health of the planet and supporting a vast array of marine life. Diverse marine habitats. Marine ecosystems are home to diverse habitats such as coral reefs, seagrass beds, and deep-sea trenches. Each habitat supports unique species and plays a specific role in the overall health of the marine environment. Importance of marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems provide essential services including climate regulation, oxygen production, and nutrient cycling. They support fisheries that are vital for human food security and offer recreational and economic benefits through tourism. Key threats to marine ecosystems. Overfishing. Overfishing depletes fish populations, disrupts marine food webs, and can lead to the collapse of entire ecosystems. Unsustainable fishing practices also result in bycatch, which harms non-target species and damages marine habitats. Pollution. Pollution from land-based sources, such as plastics, chemicals, and agricultural runoff, contaminates marine environments. This pollution can harm marine life, disrupt ecosystems, and pose risks to human health through contaminated seafood. Climate change. Climate change impacts marine ecosystems by causing ocean warming, acidification, and sea level rise. These changes affect coral reefs, disrupt marine species' reproductive patterns, and alter ocean currents, leading to significant ecological shifts. Habitat destruction. Activities such as coastal development, dredging, and bottom trawling result in habitat destruction. Coral reefs, seagrass beds, and mangroves are particularly vulnerable, leading to loss of biodiversity and degradation of ecosystem services. Invasive species. Invasive species, introduced through human activities, can outcompete native species and disrupt marine ecosystems. They can alter food webs, reduce biodiversity, and impact the health of marine habitats. Conservation and management efforts. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs. MPAs are designated regions where human activities are regulated to protect marine biodiversity and habitats. They help conserve critical areas, support the recovery of fish stocks, and promote sustainable use of marine resources. Sustainable fishing practices. Implementing sustainable fishing practices, such as catch limits and selective fishing gear, can help reduce overfishing and bycatch. Encouraging the use of certified sustainable seafood also supports conservation efforts. Pollution reduction initiatives. Reducing pollution involves efforts to minimize plastic waste, improve waste management systems, and address sources of chemical runoff. Public awareness campaigns and policy changes are key to mitigating pollution impacts. Climate action. Addressing climate change requires global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, enhance carbon sequestration, and support climate resilience initiatives. Protecting and restoring marine ecosystems can also help mitigate climate impacts. Research and monitoring. Ongoing research and monitoring are essential for understanding marine ecosystems, assessing the impacts of threats, and informing conservation strategies. Collaborative efforts between scientists, policymakers, and local communities are crucial for effective management. Conclusion. Marine ecosystems face numerous threats that impact their health and functionality. Addressing these threats through conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and global climate action is essential for preserving the health of marine environments and ensuring their continued contribution to the planet's ecological balance. Marine ecosystems and their vital functions. Introduction to marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems are complex and diverse, encompassing various environments such as open oceans, coastal areas, and deep-sea regions. These ecosystems are critical for the overall health of the planet and play essential roles in supporting life both underwater and on land. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity. They provide habitat and shelter for numerous marine species and contribute to coastal protection by reducing the impact of storm surges. Reefs also support fisheries and are a source of income for many communities through tourism. Seagrass beds. Seagrass beds are underwater meadows that provide important ecosystem services, including nutrient cycling and carbon sequestration. They support a variety of marine life, from small fish to sea turtles, and help stabilize the seafloor, preventing erosion. Mangroves. Mangrove forests are coastal wetlands found in tropical and subtropical regions. They serve as crucial breeding and nursery grounds for many marine species and act as natural barriers against coastal erosion and storm surges. Mangroves also filter pollutants from the water and provide habitat for diverse wildlife. Estuaries. Estuaries are transitional zones where fresh water meets saltwater. They are among the most productive ecosystems on Earth, providing vital resources and habitats for many species. Estuaries also act as buffers. Overfishing depletes fish stocks, disrupts marine food chains, and threatens the balance of marine ecosystems. Unsustainable fishing practices, such as trawling and longlining, can cause significant damage to habitats and lead to bycatch. Pollution. Marine pollution, including plastics, oil spills, and chemical runoff, poses severe risks to marine life. Pollutants can be ingested by marine organisms, leading to health problems and contamination of the food chain. Climate change. Climate change leads to ocean warming, acidification, and rising sea levels, all of which affect marine ecosystems. Coral bleaching, altered species distributions, and the loss of sea ice are some of the consequences impacting marine life. Habitat destruction. Coastal development, dredging, and land reclamation can destroy critical marine habitats such as coral reefs and mangroves. This destruction reduces biodiversity and disrupts the ecological functions of these habitats. Invasive species. Non-native species introduced into marine environments can outcompete native species, disrupt food webs, and cause ecological imbalances. Invasive species often spread rapidly and can be difficult to control. Conservation strategies. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs. MPAs are designated areas where human activities are managed to protect marine biodiversity and ecosystems. They help conserve important habitats, support fish population recovery. Goodbye, everyone.